The first thing we're going to do is create a new keyboard shortcut in System Preferences. The menu title will be Move Window to Left Side of Screen, and then the keyboard shortcut is going to be what's called the hyperkey sequence, which is the combination of Control, Option, Shift, Command, and an arrow key. After we add that, we're going to do the same thing, the up arrow for zoom, the right arrow for the right side of the screen. Once we've built those keyboard shortcuts, it enables us to go into any app and very quickly resize the screen using that keyboard shortcut. As a developer, this is incredibly helpful when you're working with a split screen. For example, you want to look at your code on one half and you want to look at the browser and the changes you're making on the right side. The alternative to this is a lot of clicking and dragging. For example, if this was a full screen, to get from coding out something to seeing the change in the browser, we would have to probably do something like this, or to get it on the same screen, the clicking, dragging of this. It might seem insignificant, but in the long run, the ability to very quickly leverage a keyboard shortcut to resize your windows is going to save you a long time in the long run. If your keyboard does not have a hyperkey built in, no worries, we need to simply create one. Once we download and open up the hyperkey app, we can go into Preferences. We want to check the box that maps the hyperkey sequence to a physical key. For me, I personally like to use caps lock. And then we want to verify that our hyperkey configuration matches the shortcut that we set up. In this case, we are using Shift as part of the sequence.